Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure professional certification with PMI, full guide step by step clearly. To secure professional certification with PMI, start by researching the various certifications offered. Identify which certification aligns best with your career goals. Common options include the Project Management Professional or the Certified Associate in Project Management. Visit the Project Management Institute website to review eligibility requirements for your chosen certification. Check if you meet the prerequisites, including education and experience in project management. Once you've confirmed eligibility, create an account on the PMI website. Fill out the application for the certification you've selected. Be thorough and accurate in documenting your project management experience and education. After submitting the application, prepare to pay the associated examination fee. Review the payment guidelines provided by PMI to ensure a smooth transaction. Next, create a study plan tailored to the certification exam's content outline. Use PMI-approved resources, such as the PMBOK Guide and other recommended study materials. Consider enrolling in a formal preparation course for additional guidance and structure. Practice with sample exams and questions to familiarize yourself with the exam format. When you feel confident in your preparation, schedule your exam through the PMI website. Choose a date and testing center that suits your schedule. On the day of the exam, arrive early to the testing facility with the required identification. Follow all instructions during the exam for a successful experience. After completing the exam, you will receive your results. If you pass, you will be officially awarded your certification. If you do not pass, review your score report to identify areas for improvement. Use this information to adjust your study plan for a future attempt. Once certified, be sure to maintain your certification by earning professional development units. Engage in continuous learning to enhance your skills and stay updated in the field. Celebrate your achievement and leverage your new certification to advance your career. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.